What if a few square meters could hold everything you ever needed? In a world of overconsumption, there's a quiet revolution happening, where less isn't just more, it's smarter, cozier, and beautifully efficient. Today, we take you on a journey through 10 of the most brilliant mini houses from around the world. Urban pods. You know those days when you just need your own little world? That's what urban pods are made for. They're like stylish little hideaways you can place right in your backyard. Perfect as a home office, art studio, gym, or even a cozy nap zone away from the noise. Each pod is made with timber, fully insulated, and designed to handle every season. And the best part? It's your space. No commute, no distractions, no one stealing your snacks from the office fridge. Just walk out your back door, and boom, you're in your creative zone. It's peace, productivity, and privacy, all in one gorgeous little box. CABN Jude. Now this one has heart. CABN. Jude is a tiny home named after the founder's mom, and you can feel the love in every corner. It's only 14 square meters, but somehow fits everything you need. A comfy bed with panoramic views, a sleek little kitchen, a shower, and even heating for those chilly nights. It's the kind of place where you slow down, read a book, watch the sunrise, listen to the wind. Whether you're solo journaling, escaping with your partner, or just recharging, Jude makes tiny feel like a luxury. No stress, no clutter, just pure, beautiful simplicity. EcoCapsule. Okay, this one. This is what happens when Mother Nature meets Elon Musk. EcoCapsule is an egg-shaped tiny home that runs entirely off solar and wind power. We're talking hot shower, bed, kitchen, even Wi-Fi, totally off the grid. It's sleek, futuristic, and surprisingly comfy inside, and it's designed for real adventure. Drop it on a mountain, a beach, a remote forest, and you're home. Plus, it folds up to be moved around like a pod from the future. Seriously, if James Bond ever went glamping, this is what he'd sleep in. Drop structures. If you love those moody cabin-in-the-woods vibes, you're gonna love drop structures. These Canadian-crafted cabins are simple, elegant, and wrapped in natural wood that just feels good. Inside, total zen. Big windows, clean lines, and all the cozy feels. They're designed to work in remote spots, forests, lakesides, snowy hills. But even in your backyard, they feel like an escape from the world. Perfect for writers, thinkers, or anyone who just wants a little more quiet in their life. It's not just a tiny house. It's a breath of fresh air in wood and glass form. Smart Dome. Imagine living inside a bubble, but in a good way. Smart Dome is a circular mini house that's strong, insulated, and totally different from your typical boxy layout. The curved walls make everything feel open, calm, and kind of magical. It's great for all kinds of locations, mountains, beaches, forests, you name it. And because of the geodesic design, it's surprisingly energy efficient and sturdy. It's like a mini planet you live in. Whether you're a digital nomad, an eco-warrior, or just someone who loves cool design, Smart Dome gives you that wow without the "why did I buy this?" Hüga isn't just a mini house. It's a mini fortress with serious style. Built from reinforced concrete, it can handle earthquakes, floods, even hurricanes. But inside, you'd never guess it's that tough. It's warm, modern, and feels like a full-sized apartment shrunk down with a designer's eye. There's a bedroom, kitchen, living room, bathroom, and even a little space to just chill, all packed into 45 square meters. And get this, it can be set up in a single day. Yep, one day, and it's move-in ready. So if you want a tiny home that's cozy and completely bulletproof, Hüga's got you covered. CABN NNA. This one's not just smart, it's poetic. CABN NNA is a house that moves with you, literally. You can slide parts of it open to catch the sunrise or close it up for a warm, quiet night in. Feeling social? Slide the panels apart and create a huge open space. Want some privacy? Close them back in and cozy up. It's like nature and architecture had a love child and raised it on fresh air and sunsets. Whether you want to meditate, dance, sleep, or watch the stars, Anna adapts. It's not just a home, it's an experience. Baluchon's Nano model might be one of the smallest houses on the list, but it has big charm. Built on a trailer and only 7 square meters, it still fits a kitchen, loft bed, dining space, and just enough room to live your tiny dream. Everything inside is handcrafted with love, from the wooden paneling to the cozy lighting. And the best part? You can tow it almost anywhere. It's like your favorite Airbnb on wheels, except it's yours. Nano is proof that elegance and function can absolutely fit in a microspace. Golden House. This one's a stunner. The Golden House is wrapped in shimmering, reflective gold glass. And yes, it looks as cool as it sounds. There are only 79 of these on Earth, making it one of the most exclusive tiny homes out there. Inside, it's all luxury, minimalist interiors, insane views, and the kind of calm that only comes from being far away from everything. Whether it's perched on a beach in Ghana or hidden in the forests of Norway, it always steals the scene. It's not just a house, it's an escape wrapped in gold. PrefabX Flip. Coming in at number 1, the absolute transformer of the tiny house world. The PrefabX Flip folds open like a magic trick, and within 8 hours, you've got a full-blown move-in ready home. We're talking bedroom, kitchen, bathroom, living area, all built with smart, modern design. You don't need a construction crew or months of prep. Just unfold, furnish, and live. It's sleek, it's sturdy, and it's made for people who want to live differently and live fast. PrefabX Flip is the future of instant, stylish, mobile living, and it looks so good doing it. In every corner of the world, creativity is reshaping how we live. These homes may be small, but their impact is big. Which one would you call home? Let us know in the comments. And if you believe small spaces can lead to big dreams, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more inspiration.